one, we're going to solve the equation secant of 3 theta divided by 2 equals -2 over the interval 0 to 2 pi. The first thing I want to do is secant is harder to remember. So I know that secant, if secant of some alpha equals -2, then cosecant or cosine of alpha equals -1/2. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite this as cosine because cosine is a lot easier to remember and secant is a little harder. So we're going to write this as cosine, and this is going to be my alpha equals -1/2. And if you look at that, we're looking where is our x -1/2. And so our x is -1/2 at 2 pi divided by 3. And x is -1/2 at 4 pi divided by 3. So what we want is we want this angle that I called alpha. So 3 theta divided by 2, we want it to equal alpha. And our alphas were 2 pi divided by 3 or 4 pi divided by 3. So instead of alpha now, I'm going to substitute and write this as 2 pi divided by 3 plus 2k pi. We want to get all the solutions from 0 to 2 pi. Let's solve for theta. So we'll just multiply everything through by 2/3. And you get theta equals, this is when you multiply these two, you get 4 pi divided by 9 plus 4k pi divided by 3. All right, and now let's do this one. You get 3 theta divided by 2 equals 4 pi divided by 3 plus 2k pi. Now, multiply everything through by 2/3. That gives you theta equals 8 pi divided by 9 plus 4k pi over 3. Before we continue on, let's look and see what we have. If k is 0, then we're going to just have 4 pi divided by 9 and 8 pi divided by 9. All right, so there's two solutions there. These are 2. And if we're going by 9s, and we have 2 pi, we can't go higher than 18 pi divided by 9. So let's move on and let's see what happens when k equals 1. So when k is 1, so basically what we had was theta equals 4 pi divided by 9 plus 4k pi divided by 3, and theta equals 8 pi divided by 9 plus 4k pi divided by 3. So when k is 1, for this one, you're going to get 4 pi divided by 9 plus 4 pi divided by 3. And we need a common denominator, so multiply this by 3, this by 3. And you get, this is 4 pi plus 12 pi divided by 9. That gives you 16 pi divided by 9. So now we have 3 solutions. We have 4 pi divided by 9 and 8 pi divided by 9. Now, if you check this one out, and k is 1, we're still at k is 1, you get 8 pi divided by 9 plus, I'll go ahead and write this as 12 pi divided by 9. Just getting the common denominator. So that's going to give you 20 pi divided by 9, which is bigger than 2 pi. So we have to disregard this one. So when we have 3 solutions, these three right here, you can write them out as a solution set as 4 pi divided by 9, 8 pi divided by 9, and 16 pi divided by 9. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.